Hey guys, so today my cousin's gonna be doing my makeup and she does makeup better than I do, so we shall see how this turns out. So I just kind of put out all these products that she can choose from and we'll see how this turns out. Don't judge me, it's dirty! It's used to be pink!
I'm trying to think. So we have foundation.
Mm-hmm.
What is this? Eyeshadow. The shade was actually pretty.
You gotta show it to the camera?
Do I have to?
Yeah.
Okay, so basically,
Is this how we sound when we do a tutorial?
Yeah.
So, basically.
this shade, do you see it? Do you see it? Do you see it? Oh! Okay. Yeah. One of those.
Let's put a theme out there. Like suppose I'm going to like a holiday party.
What about like the Joker look? So lips.
You know, that's how you impress everyone, you know?
I'm thinking if I should do like a dark color, like a pinky color.
Mm-hmm. Girl, you can choose any color you want.
I'm gonna do a little swatch test.
I like how your process is much more complicated than mine. I'm just like brown. Great. I'm brown, the eyeshadow's brown, it works out well.
It works out well.
Okay, have you figured it out?
No!
Just go like, you know,
Go with the flow?
I was gonna say do it as you go and then I almost said go it as you go. Go as you go. Okay.
What is this?
Mm-hmm.
One.
Dab. Wow, that was so cold for some reason.
Foundation.
This is for the final look. Hope you guys enjoyed. This is like a face massage.
Would you like me to do your face massage?
No.
Okay.
Yesterday I came back and I was like, can I get a head massage? And then she ended up slapping my face for a good 5 minutes. I just sat there. I'm like, okay, this is my life.
Beautiful. Head, face this way. Good girl. Okay. That's a workout. Turn your face this way. Good girl. That's right. Good girl. Up. Down. Roll.
Our concealer's kind of out, but you can try anyways.
Let's try. Okay. Just
My
gonna go like
fingers
this.
are so cold.
You're welcome. Just gonna go like this, you know? Who cares?
Cover all the dark circles I got from studying for all my exams.
And from watching Brooklyn Nine-Nine until like 3
Yes.
a.m.
We were kind of obsessed with the show, and then we started together and we thought we could continue watching, but someone made us promise not to watch it without her. So every
No, you
sleepover-
guys just said that we could watch it together. I didn't make you guys promise. You just guys said.
But this is you, like,
You can watch it without me if you really, really want to.
and I'm like, okay, fine, Cookie. We'll wait for
That's
you.
not right.
But then now it's like our thing. Every time she comes for a sleepover, we watch a season, kind of,
Yeah.
of Brooklyn 99.
Oh my god, will you blend?
You know? Sorry. That's one way to get my head to turn around.
Yeah.
Nice.
Watch a cha.
Did you blend or did you wipe it off?
Yeah, looks like I did something to your face.
Okay.
Looks the same, but like, let's just say I did something.
Okay. Next, bronzer.
Yeah, gets put together. That represents your life.
Broken.
Yeah.
You're giving me a jawline.
Yeah.
You're giving me a chin too.
Yeah. Put too much on this side, you know what?
Is that how you blend that?
Like the first, sleepover was hilarious. Cause you guys just started doing like all those Instagram pictures and stuff like that.
Oh
I swear to
yeah.
God, you guys made me breakfast, a delicious breakfast, and I was sitting on the bed with my iced coffee, watching you guys take pictures for like 20 minutes.
We were legit like standing on chairs getting a bird's eye view.
And you literally moved the table all the way to the window.
Yeah, you know, gotta get that good lighting.
Should I do highlight now or after?
You can do it now.
I'll be looking like a damn disco ball when I'm done with you.
I am a disco ball. Is it sad that I have nowhere to go with this makeup that you're doing? We're just gonna chill in the house, bake brownies.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna have highlight on. What's your favorite thing to do during our sleepovers?
I don't know. A lot of it. Tim Hortons. Just walking to Tim Hortons just to get coffee and talk is literally one of the best.
Nice.
Do I do that to your nose?
If you want, yeah, sure. I've never done it before.
Like this. Like this.
That was so ticklish. Oh my god.
Sneeze! Achoo! Bless you! And then, butterfoo. Rudolph, the red-nosed reindeer.
Rudolph the gold-nosed reindeer.
That
Had
was
a highlight
really-
so on fleek, like a light bulb. Oh my goodness.
I hated that. Oh my god. Sometimes I'm like, yeah, I'm so proud that she's my cousin. But that's like.
And then I make a joke.
Did you start dark in the inner corner and light on the outside, or?
I do light. I usually do like light in the middle and then dark on the outside, like smoky eye.
Okay. I think I'll be doing something like that today. I think I'm gonna use this one.
Sure. I can't see, but sure.
Blind.
Yes. I feel like people don't really know how blind we are. It's like I'll see someone, well, I won't see them. And then I won't say hi, then I'll get a message like, I saw you today, you didn't say hi. I'm like, I'm blind, you have to come up with me.
Use this first and then blend everything out with this.
Sure.
Okay. Okay. Close your eyes and sing a lullaby.
Rock-a-bye baby on a treetop? Oh no. Where did you learn makeup from?
Just watching videos because I was bored.
Mm.
And then I stole my mother's makeup because I was bored. Then tried random things on my face. Let's put. I need more pink color.
Okay.
I need to see more color on the eye. I don't see any of the color!
Just having a meltdown.
I forgot what I was doing.
Alright, that doesn't sound promising as a makeup artist. What the heck am I doing?
Let's do this. That was a bad idea, but I'm gonna do it anyway. But you can't even see the color. Or is it just because of the lighting? Oh, finally done.
There's the mother screaming at us to come eat.
Wait, but we already had lunch.
Yeah, I don't know why else.
We're filming a video! You have to put that in. Open eyes. Oh my god.
Like I just stare at you while you're doing my mascara. Like.
Why are you laughing?
Sorry.
Girl, you blinked and the mascara's right there.
Oh no. Am I not supposed to blink?
No! Girl! You know, almost poking out your eye with a mascara wand because they don't know what the hell they're doing. But I don't know what the hell I'm doing either, so. This mascara looks like. Oh my god, it's so bad.
Oh no. Lipstick time.
Yeah. Should I use this one? What I'm gonna look through for lipsticks.
Mm.
Ooh, this is pretty. This could be cash and classy. Hide your awkwardness
Okay,
behind the lipsticks.
let's do that.
Let me just put it on your cheek first. Okay, look at me! Good, good. Okay. Bacha. That was not good whatsoever. Oh my god, I'm so nervous doing lipstick on other people. What was that?
You look so concentrated.
Because I don't want to get lipstick on your feet.
Okay. That's a bit long. Wow.
No, I have a plan. No.
Okay, I trust you. No, I don't trust you.
I have a plan.
Girl, oh my goodness. And that's all for the final look. Welcome to looking like a clown. I kiss your cheek.
No.
Give me a kiss. Okay, like, comment, and subscribe.